Hello everyone, welcome to Microwave It Like Madhu. I'm Madhu Arvind, a cookery consultant of 20 years specializing in microwave cooking. As Navratri is fast approaching, today we are going to learn how to cook a very popular fasting or vrat recipe, Sabudana Khichdi. And also, by adding a few spices to our vrat-friendly Sabudana Khichdi, it could serve as a delicious and nutritious breakfast on a regular day. So let's get started with vrat-friendly Sabudana Khichdi. Wash 1 cup of sabudana about 2 to 3 times to remove excess starch and soak in 3/4 cup of water. Follow this ratio so that the seeds don't turn out sticky. I replace 2 tablespoons of water with 2 tablespoons of milk so that the seeds can soak up the sweetness of the milk and become flavorful. Keep this aside overnight or for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours. Fluff up the soaked sabudana with a fork. The seeds will be separate like this. You would also be able to mash it easily. Keep it aside. Next, for the potatoes, peel them and dice them into cubes like this. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Microwave on high, covered for 4 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked. Allow a standing time of 1 minute. Once it's done, the potatoes will be of this texture. Drain off excess water and keep it aside. In another glass bowl, microwave 1 tablespoon of oil on high for 1 minute uncovered. Once that's done, add groundnuts. Mix it well and microwave on high uncovered for 3.5 minutes or until it is crisp. I would suggest that you specifically use a glass bowl to crispen groundnuts as it makes the process quicker. It will be slightly brown in color like this. Keep this aside. Microwave 1 tablespoon of oil along with ghee on high uncovered for 1 minute or until the ghee melts. Then add cumin seeds, green chillies and curry leaves. Mix well and microwave on high for 1.5 minutes uncovered. Add the cooked potatoes and a pinch of salt. Mix it all and microwave on high for 2 minutes uncovered. Now add sabudana, groundnut powder, senda salt or rock salt, sugar and optionally black pepper powder. Mix it well and microwave on high uncovered for 1.5 minutes or until the sabudana is half cooked. Another tip to keep the sabudana non-sticky is to always cook it uncovered in the microwave. Add fried groundnuts and mix well. Microwave further on high uncovered for 1.5 minutes or until the sabudana is fully cooked. Allow a standing time of 2 minutes. Add lemon juice and finally mix it all well. Garnish it with fresh coriander and serve it hot with coriander chutney or mint chutney. Your vrat-friendly Sabudana Khichdi is ready to eat. If you're planning to make this recipe on a regular day, when you're not observing a fast, here's how you can spruce it up with just a few more masalas. Decrease the quantity of green chilli to 1. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2½ teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, and 2½ teaspoons of table salt in place of sendha or rock salt. After potatoes are cooked with a pinch of salt, add sabudana, groundnut powder, turmeric powder, salt, sugar, coriander powder and chilli powder. You may skip adding black pepper powder. Mix it well and microwave on high uncovered for 1½ minutes or until sabudana is half cooked. And then it's exactly the same as before. Add fried groundnuts and mix well. Microwave further on high, uncovered for 1½ minutes or until sabudana is fully cooked. After a standing time of 2 minutes, add lemon juice, mix it all well and serve garnished. Here's a quick tip for the day. To fully cook chopped vegetables, always microwave on high covered. To cook vegetables with a crunchy finish, always microwave on high uncovered. For both needs, ensure that you allow standing time of at least 20% of cooking time. Microwave cooking time for a recipe varies depending on the power of a microwave. Higher the power, lower is the cooking time. I use a 1000-watt microwave, but if you are using a microwave with slightly lower power, then the cooking time will be slightly more than that specified in the recipe. Sabudana gives instant energy to do work. They are gluten-free and so suitable for everyone to eat. It is rich in dietary fiber and so tummy-friendly as well. This recipe is a family favorite. Alright, that's it for today everyone. If you like this video, do give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to cook microwave recipes. Until next time, microwave it like Madhu.